Guys, this is a very sad day for me. I'm traveling back to my village. I lost my brother, so I am traveling with my kids to the village to bury my own brother. It's very sad, guys. Very, very sad.
Salvanan, lintsha namaflowers omngcwabo kunamakhulu angikhona what kanje indoda ayiblue kanjani ngcono alilala blue
yakufakela fast masalu lena linjani ya emuva kwakho
at least alibele blue mntakabani
mara ngikufakele lapha
alright
ngizofakela iphumi lapho masalu
wathi ngihlale pha oh uyafaka kule
ngifake kule khetha phela ngifake
faka kule
kule
yes sir ithi singathi beni
hawu masalu sibiza wena
imali kanti hangifunele 10 kanti beningantselanga phela mithi 20
i10 le la mara
wo mina ngithi 10 ambone ngiqinisela vele ngizitshela ukuthi big one
so yenze njani masalu
wathi sithathele lawa we10
ufuna mangaki
umuntu ondoda hayi leli lingcono liyaphula wonke maflows hayi liyafaka iblue kuphela la liyafaka iblue kuphela ma kanti kodwa ngamaflowers sibithi isikhiwa ngiyatesta phethi isikhiwa kuveni ngifuna ulishuta ividiyo ngelikabhuti wami mina ngiyambona ngithatha indumo ezulu ngithe nxe yilo kumbe sizashutha nxa sengithatha
bathi iphuma kuhle ora ngizakushuta mase ngithatha ifoni yakhe right
abantu bazathi lasidlanga lutho ngibe lobufazi bokuthi hayi besisihle YouTube phela koza
Kambe usuhlezi
kanti ngisene isitulo yini
Akele ekhaya kuyabe kuphuma kusiya eganyeni. Awuphindi kubone kusenzeka ekhaya.
Angingithi yogadi yakho.
Isikwelede boy. Isikwelede boy, bothi yabuya. Bothi yabuya.
Nokuthi mina vese
Mina kephi bakithi? Nanu yimi mntwana.
abebheka venje bageza imgadi.
Hayi vele kuyamele begesi kapenzeni.
Kodwa umkhipho uphumile nje.
Ugula.
Umntwana ube ngumuntu oyindodele sivindandi. Umuntu ongumfazi. Athi atshona uhlaba umamdala wayesewuhlaba umkhosi.
Balindi shoot. Ngesambe kufuka ukuhlikihla kuphela.
Afuthi bamnokisa kakhulu namadoda. Ongconyelele lokho.
Ngicela indindele phela ngihamba. Indindele la. Uthi ngisale ngindile.
Ayisekhona amapheyili nenye ipheyili nasi lebenye nasana ngale.
Abantwana indlela sebelambe ngakhona sure. Inyama ikhanya ivuthiwe. So now the guys are trying by all means to open a space, a parking space, because people from the graveyard were about to come back. So they were trying to open a space for the people to park. And we've got our twin guys. That is my brother's son who's a twin.
Kuyilokho madam.
Look at this salad, guys. Oh my god, I feel like eating it before they serve it. Anyway, guys, you see these ladies, they are family catering, guys. Please hire them. Comment if you want to hire them. They are not even expensive. If you are around Inyati, Zimbabwe, please call. You should do video. You should my face. You should my face. Anti abona manga mntole confuse.
Ngeke wathi likhona eliyi-1 ngaphi kanti? Asakwazi afana izolo kwayizolo.
kanti iprogram leli hlala ayibona izolo
hayi bwana udrayiva obekhona
izinto eziphawulayo sihlale sizibona
ukukhuphuka ividiyo sina vele phela anti kumele lingene ku-interview ukuthi liyenza njani intweni lichiyi namba.
This is something you got to do.